In this video, we will be going over the Forex.com mobile app. So starting with the dashboard here, you can see I have zero profit or loss. I'm not in any open positions and I have no active orders. Towards the bottom, you'll see some popular markets through a watch list. If I wanted to, I can go and create a new watch list. I have a watch list created already. And from here, I can rename, delete the watch list, or edit the watch list. And then from here I can subtract, so I can get rid of NZD USD if I wanted to. Or I can always search for new currency pairs that I can add to my watch list. And then if I click on this star, I can add it to the new watch list, which is labeled new watch list. And then that will populate in my watch lists. I can also browse from here, go to all markets, and I can view all of them here. Again, by clicking over here, I can add them to a watch list. Whenever I go to the top left over here, I can either expand or detract that button there showing me my cash, profit and loss, my margin, all the information regarding my account. So you can also go from here, you'll see open positions. I'll get in an open position now. From there I'm going to go to my watch list. Let's say I want to place a buy with Aussie US. Click on buy. I can enter the amount. I can do 2,000. Place the trade. Place another trade or view an open position. From here it goes straight to my open positions. If I click on it, I can add any associated stops or limits. So from here, I can add stops or limits. Now as you can see, I can't hit plus here because it's got to be lower. So I can do that there, do that here. Again, it won't let me go past a certain number because it needs to be greater than that number. So that's a way to check yourself. I'll hit done. I will set the stop or limit. So you'll see two associated orders, associated stop and a limit. I can change them from here. And then you can see the chart on the bottom as well. I can also set a trade alert here, an alert price, or buy, or for sell. And then I could set that alert, and I could set it to good till canceled or a specific date and time. It also tells me my margin up here, where it's currently trading at, and where I got in. If I go back to open positions, if I wanted to close, I can always click on this X, and that will close the trade. Now I can always go to my alerts here. That will see all the alerts that I have open, and I will get an alert once that rate is hit. I can always add from here as well. I'd search the market, find the specific currency pair I'm looking to trade, and then do that as well. Also, another thing you could do, let's say I clicked on Euro Aussie, but I actually clicked on Euro Aussie. I didn't click on anything else. I can look at the details, any alerts that I want to place, any news that would affect Euro or Aussie, and even the market information. Another key thing to look at is price tolerance. So this is a way to, if you want to cut down on avoiding slippage, you can put a certain pip tolerance here. So if I had 0, that means whatever rate I see on the platform, when I go to hit buy or sell, there's no change at all. Now, if I hit 10, which is what it's defaulted to, that's basically telling me I will accept the price that's within 10 pips of what I see when I go to hit the buy or sell, since it's getting filled at the next available rate like a market order. So from here I can also go to settings. So from settings you can do a few things. You can change your password, update any details, automatically get logged in, change your time zone, enable close all positions, which is great for US clients because of the FIFO rule. So if you want, you can check this off. So if you have a bunch of, let's say, Euro US dollar positions and you want to enter all of them at once, to avoid having to go to each pair or each specific trade and close out, you can enable close positions, and there will be a close open positions button under the open positions tab on the platform for the mobile. Let's get out of here. As you can see, close all positions. And that's underneath the positions bar. So I can close all. Yes. I will process. And they have all been closed. So going back to my watch list, I want to take a look at a chart. So I'm going to bring up the chart here. So if I want to change different time frames, it's very simple. All you have to do is click and it will change at the top left here. If I want to look at the data, you want to click on the expand button, and then from there I can move with my cursor and I can see the open, high, low, and close. I can also see the current price up here, time frame, as well as the rates over here. I can enter an order from here if I wanted to, but I wanted to get into the chart to show you how to add indicators. So, at the top right, you have some options here. You can select the specific type. You can select the mini chart type that will appear when you're looking at your watch list, as well as a few others. But specifically, you can add indicators as well. So if I wanted to add an EMA, I could do so from here. I can set the specific options from here as well. And then if I go back, you will see that indicator has been added to the chart. You can also click here to change the period as well, if you don't want to just click on the screen. Also, if you click up here, this will give you some more information if you want to learn more about how to use this specific section. Now, if you want to pull up any history or statements, you can go to our panel here, go to history, and then you will see my trade history here. If you click on one specifically that you're looking at, it will tell you all the information related to that trade. Same thing for order history. Select which one, and it will give you that history as well. Now I can always go to view statements as well. This is a demo account, so I won't be able to do that here, but you can on your live account. And then here I'm just going to cancel my alert. So if I ever did want to cancel the alert, I can go to delete here, and then that will take care of itself. So that's a quick overview of the Forex.com mobile app. Thanks for watching.